In the blessed name of Lord Jesus Christ, who provides strength in our work and blesses our daily efforts, we begin this video with gratitude. Welcome, friends. You're watching Animal Zone Life, where we bring you the real beauty of rural life, agriculture, and the bond between humans and animals. In today's video, we are showing you how silage is made, a powerful and nutritious feed prepared especially for animals, particularly dairy cattle. This modern machine, called a forage harvester, cuts the maize or fodder, chops it finely, and directly loads it into the tractor trolley. It's a smart and efficient way to prepare feed that boosts animal health, milk production, and overall energy. Our hard-working farmers are giving their best, and it's through the grace of Lord Jesus that their hands are strengthened and their fields are fruitful. If you enjoy learning about real village life and modern farming, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Animal Zone Life. May Lord Jesus Christ bless you and your families with peace, health, and prosperity. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.